Yeah. Yum. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Savor with Neil, where we savor food and experiences together. So for tonight, we are making my honey garlic chicken. It's so quick and easy to make. You only need a few ingredients and it's just one pot and it's very, very tasty and delicious. So these are the ingredients. We have chickenless. We have boneless, skinless chicken thighs. We have green onions. We have bay leaves. I usually use bay leaves all the time. My mom actually taught me this, that it actually takes away like the gaminess of the meat. So I usually just incorporate that in most of my recipes. And we have cornstarch. I'm gonna come back to this. Black pepper, salt, lemon, onion, garlic, honey, olive oil, and soy sauce. Savor Twist for this recipe is adding sesame oil. It adds nuttiness and also depth to the actual flavor profile of the honey garlic chicken. So this is my Savor Twist, and yeah. All right, let's start making. First things first, let's do our prep. Okay, my Ninja food processor. So we're just gonna add the garlic in there. Oh, I bought the garlic that's already like skinless, so that's so easy. So now we just need some onion. You're gonna just peel this off. So this is like I think you guys will enjoy this as one of your like favorite classic food recipe dish. It's so quick, easy to make, and just the taste profile of it is amazing. So just cut it into a few chunks. Okay, let's put it in our processor. Okay, just cut it like this, pretty much that size. Okay, this in. Lots of garlic, because we do love garlic in our dishes. Makes it more tastier, healthier. So maybe around 10 cloves, maybe 2 more. Let's do 12. Okay. All right. This is so quick and easy. Oh, I also cook white rice beforehand, so it'll be ready by the time we cook everything. Okay. All right. So done. All right, so quick and easy. All right, this is such a lifesaver, guys, so saves you so much time. There you go. All right, next thing is let's do our chicken. Okay, let's just put these out so you guys can see. Okay, let's start warming up the skillet. Okay, while we're taking care of the chicken. Skillet or saucepan, whatever you guys have. So I use this. Okay, medium heat. Okay, bit of olive oil. Before I cut the chicken, I'm just gonna use this cornstarch. I'm gonna open the cornstarch. Okay, I'm gonna put it in a bowl. Oops, went everywhere. All right, so just be careful, guys. Oh shoot. It's not like flour, it just kind of goes together, this cornstarch, so just be careful. Okay, so I have that. We're gonna use it to coat the chicken before it goes into the hot pan with the olive oil. And then we can put some salt. Not too much, because we're also using a soy sauce and also pepper. Pepper you can put a bit more, and then we're gonna add some pepper as well later on, okay? And then you just mix it a bit. All right, so now for the chicken, I have the chicken here. It's still a bit semi-hard, but that's okay. You can just use it. I didn't have much time to defrost it, but that's okay. No biggie. So this is how big the chicken thigh is, okay? I'm just gonna cut it in half. Okay, goes into the cornstarch. Okay, there. All right, guys, it looks like it's hot, so we're gonna... Oh, shoot. Guys, be careful with the cornstarch. It's really, like, messy, so, all right. Alright guys, so just putting in the remaining chicken with cornstarch. Alright guys, so while the chicken is cooking, we're gonna make a quick side dish. It's a nice, easy broccoli dish. I just put the broccoli in the air fryer with a bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper. Quick, easy, nice veggies, goes really well with your chicken. Because the chicken is already like very flavorful with the soy sauce, honey, and garlic, it's best just to have like a nice simple like side dish, like a simple broccoli. Okay, so I'm gonna make that. In the meantime, I'm gonna do a quick cleanup. The whole meal takes like 30 minutes to make, from like, from your prep to all the way to the end, with your rice cooking and also your side broccoli cooking, and then also the chicken. So you have an entire meal in just half an hour. Okay? Alright, so let's grab the broccoli. Alright guys, we don't have any more broccoli. So we do have spinach though. So what we'll do with the spinach is we'll just cook it with olive oil, salt, pepper, and then you have your quick, easy veggie side as well, okay? So I'm gonna start off by washing this spinach, okay? I'm just taking 2 handfuls of it. Okay, let's do 2.5. So I got 2.5 handfuls of the spinach, all right? So guys, this is a really great thing about cooking is that if you don't have a certain ingredient that you need, you can just always find a way to actually work through it, find another ingredient similar to it, or just pivot into another veggie. For instance, in this case, you always have that flexibility with cooking, okay? So nothing is set in stone. That's the best part and fun part about it, okay? Yeah, just have fun with it. Okay, I'm just gonna flip my chicken. It's nice and crispy, which is great. Alright guys, I'm back, so I'm just gonna wash the spinach, okay? And I'm just gonna cover this while it cooks. I forgot this is actually pretty hot. And then cook the spinach here, just lower medium heat. Add your olive oil. Oh, chicken's smelling really good. Okay, so now you can mix it around. Okay. It's still uncooked, so you need another 5 to 10 more minutes. Okay. Okay, I think this is good. So you just put in the spinach. Okay. It's gonna cook really fast. A bit of salt and pepper. Okay, that's it. Just mix it around. Okay. Okay guys, I think our chicken is doing well. Okay, so mix it a bit. Okay, chicken looks like it's almost cooked. Let's put in our onion and garlic. Okay. Mix that along. Put some bay leaves. 3 should be good. And just take out the small one so that nobody eats it, okay? Make sure it's a big one that's on there, so. Spinach is good. See, this is pretty easy. It's pretty much done. As long as it's wilted like this, you're good. It has a lot of water too, so there you go guys. It's quick, easy side vegetable dish, okay? So chicken is pretty much cooked. Just waiting for the onions to turn brown and also the garlic to turn brown. And then we're gonna start putting in our sauce, okay? Look at all that garlic. Oh guys, the smell is amazing. so delicious already. I'm getting hungry. Okay guys, we can put in our sauce now. Now that the onion and garlic are brown. Okay. We'll put some of the soy sauce. Okay. You can eyeball it if you want. Alright, so maybe around 2 tablespoons or 3. Some honey. Around 2 tablespoons. Some pepper. Some sesame oil. Around 1 tablespoon. And okay, we'll do 1 lemon. Careful of the seeds. The last step is we're just gonna put some green onions. I'm gonna wash these first. Alright guys, it's cooked and we're just gonna add our green onions, okay? You can turn off the heat now. Just cut some green onions. Alright guys, that's it. Mix it a bit. Here's our honey garlic chicken. Alright guys, I'm gonna assemble a plate for us. We're gonna go have a taste and savor it, okay? Just have some rice. Okay, some chicken. Oh man, this looks so good. And some spinach. Alright guys, it's time to savor, okay? Look at that. Oh shoot, it's dripping. Okay, that's our sign to start eating, okay? Let's start eating, okay. Grab some chicken and rice. And green onions. Mmm, it's hot in temperature, but yum. Mmm. That sesame oil gives it that extra depth of flavor to it, guys. So I highly recommend that you use that Savor Twist. So much garlic. The onion gives it that sweetness to the whole recipe. Really complements the dish very well. Mmm. 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 So quick, easy to make. You just need a few ingredients. And let's try our spinach. Mmm. Nice. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video today. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know how it goes if you try my recipe, if you have any ideas for me to try my next video. And yeah, I'd love to know what you guys have been up to, and hope you guys have an amazing week ahead. Alright guys, thanks for joining me today. We'll catch you soon. And just remember guys, keep savoring you, okay? Alright, see you guys.